Hello everyone. Today I received my HT-prog, which I ordered. It's a public beta adapter. It doesn't have a case, so the full content of the box have the board, an USB cable, a bench cable. From what I see, it looks handmade. Have a boot pin. Normally it's looking like a GPT cable. Also it have another adapter. So this is the adapter. From what I can see, it's have an MPC BDMA, at the ground, the power, but I don't have a power cable. Right now I don't own a schematic yet. Maybe the kit will have, who knows, but definitely is the public beta. Okay. The board, it's looking like this. It have some nice legs, few solders, looks handmade here, but everything else looks nice. Of course the chip information it's scrapped, so hard to identify right now the component. Looks good. Also it have a power, an USB and an output. But let's start the installation of the software and see how it's working, how we should install it and so on. Okay, we will install HTProg software. It have only 66 megabytes. Doesn't have much. Also it have a nice link. Copyright of this tool. Interesting. Okay, of course I want a shortcut everywhere. Yes, launch the program. Doesn't say I need to connect, I don't need, but let's see what to expect. Like always, my phone ringing when I'm making a video. So KT200 device error. So that means I will need to connect the KT200 device. So first I will do that. Connected power to my computer and also the KT200. So let's see, running again. So I need to activate. I will insert Okay. I will check my email from the second computer and finish the activation process, if I can, from second computer. So, in the email you will receive a link, you will click on it, it will go to a web page and it will say activation successfully. It doesn't require the adapter or anything else. So, I have the activation. I still have not connected the HT-prog beta adapter to the computer. It doesn't say anything. I'm waiting to happen something, but definitely it's not happening something. So what I will do now, I will connect again the HT-prog for the first time, not again, to the computer, and open again. Okay, so I connected also the HT-prog. Now let's go to the program. Okay. I don't know if these functions are working or not. Okay, so let's see the cloning function. We'll choose a Volkswagen. Input mode. Okay, wiring. Okay, I need a wiring. Okay, seems the general wiring from dim sport. It's used, so nothing special. Okay, the software crashed, so it's very stable. Of course, it's a reason why it's called public beta for HT-prog. But definitely I will not rely on this. Maybe I will play to clone. Right now I don't have any issue. But first I will definitely make a full backup with other tool and then try to play. At least in case it's failing, I will have some backups. Keep in mind, always do backups. Okay, I don't have a clue if this is working. But I have some China PCB, which maybe I will try to unlock in another video. But this is for the first preview of HT-prog, the beta adapter. Looks interesting. If you like, please subscribe.